The Lexus NX 300 and NX 300H key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Replacing it yourself is easy and saves money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Locate the notch on the fob's edge. Gently pry it open, noting the battery's polarity with positive side up. Remove the old battery and insert the new one with the correct orientation. Snap the case back together and test. Avoid using cheap alkaline batteries, as they can cause corrosion. Lexus recommends replacing the battery every 2 to 3 years preventatively, especially in extreme climates. Always separate the mechanical key first to prevent damage. If your remote's range is reduced or functions intermittently, a battery replacement will likely solve it. This addresses 70% of key fob issues. Aftermarket rechargeable CR2032 batteries exist, but Lexus recommends non-rechargeable ones for reliability. Ensure you buy genuine batteries to avoid issues with counterfeit products damaging the key fob circuit board. Recycle old batteries properly. Automotive experts consider key fob battery replacement a simple fix, addressing 70% of key fob issues. Future trends point toward battery-free key fobs powered by kinetic energy or NFC, but for 2015-2020 NX models, manual battery replacement remains the standard.